On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to turn $1.50 into over $500 in a single day with CPA marketing. This method is very easy, and the best part is that you can use it wherever you are in the world to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. In this case, we are using CPA Group, but if you want, you can use Max Bounty, CPA Leads, OGRs, or any CPA network that you know. CPA Group is available worldwide, so you can sign up for a free account if you want. Once you join CPA Group and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you're going to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you're going to click on My Offers so that you can find offers to promote and then earn CPA commissions. So click on it. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. As I scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a lot of different offers, but CPA offers, they are geo specific, so you have to select a country where you have a traffic source so that you can promote offers in that country. You can see all these offers, the flag is United Kingdom, so it means you have to promote all these offers to people who live in the United Kingdom so that they can enter the required details for you to make money. You can see a whole lot of them. If you don't have a traffic source in the United Kingdom, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can scroll upwards and then select any country that you have a traffic source. You can see a whole lot of different countries that you can click on to find offers to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. But one thing that you must consider is that you have to select a country where you can get offers with higher payout. The tier 1 countries, most of them you can get offers with higher payout. Countries like the United States, Australia, Canada, you can get offers with higher payout. So anytime you get a sale, you are going to be earning a lot of money. In this case, we are going to be promoting an offer in Australia, so you have to search for Australia right here so that you can find it. Once you search for it, you can see it here. Click on it so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on it, when you scroll down, you can find offers that you can promote to people who live in Australia. You can see a whole lot of them. This offer, for example, if you promote it to people who live in Australia, when they click on it and then enter their email and zip code, you are going to be earning $2.19. There are many offers on the platform that you can promote to people who live in Australia. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see. So now what you have to do is that you have to find an offer with higher payout. And the best part is that you can find offers with higher payout. For example, you can see this offer right here. You are going to be earning $4.79 per every person that you get to install a mobile app. But the problem is that if you promote an offer like this, most people are not willing to install a mobile app, so you are not going to get a lot of people who install the app for you to make money. So you have to find offers that are easy for your potential visitors to enter their details for you to make money. You can see another offer with higher payout. The requirement is credit card submit, so most people might not be willing to enter their credit card details online. So if you promote an offer like this, you are not going to be getting many people who will be willing to enter their credit card details for you to earn $9.86. So you have to look for the easiest one. So just scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down, you can see $10.27. If you get people to click on it in Australia and then enter their details to get access to the latest iPhones, you are going to be paid $10.27. You can see the same offer here. The first one is allowed on Apple iOS and the second one is allowed on Android, but it is the same offer. Any of them that you want, you can promote it. In this case, I'm going to promote the first one, the one that is allowed on Apple iOS. So click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. So when you get people who live in Australia to click on your link and then enter their details, you are going to be paid $10.27. They don't need to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to enter their information and verify with their PayPal. Once they do so, you are going to be paid. Whether they win the prize or not, you are still going to be paid. So now the next step is that you have to find a traffic source where you can get people who live in Australia to click on your link and then enter the details for you to make money. You can use the free traffic method, you can use the paid traffic method. In this video, I'm going to show you a paid traffic method that you can use to make money over and over using this method. Today we are not going to be promoting a direct affiliate link. What we are going to do is that we are going to build a landing page so that we can capture the email of our visitors. Once we get their email, we can promote offers to them at any time that we want so that they can complete them for us to make money. The software that we are going to be using to build the landing page is Aweber is a software that you can use to create your landing pages. You can also sell your digital products on this platform, but in this case we are going to use it to create a landing page. You can use it for free before you upgrade. You can see right here, get started for free. So you are going to click on it and then sign up for a free account. Once you get up to 500 subscribers, you can then upgrade your accounts and then begin to use the paid version. I've created a demo account, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how you can create a landing page on this platform. Once you create your new accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, pages and forms. Click on it. Once you click on it, the next step is that you are going to click right here, create a landing page, or if you want, you can click right here, create a landing page. Any of them that you click, it is going to lead you to the same page. So click right here, create a landing page. Once you click on it, you can see a whole lot of different templates that you can use to create your landing page. You can select any of these templates and then build your landing page. You can see a whole lot of them that you can select. If you want to start from scratch, you are going to click right here so that you can start from afresh and then create your own landing page. In this case, I'm going to be using a template. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see gift guide. Click on it so that you can choose it. Once you click on the template, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to edit the information on it. For example, this one we don't need it, so just click on it and then delete it. As you can see, that has been done. This text we don't need it, so just delete it. Delete everything. Once you delete it, the next step is that you are going to replace this text with your own text. So you have to go back on CPA Grip, copy the title of the offer and then paste it right here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you are going to highlight and copy the title of the offer. Once you copy the title of the offer, you are going to search for this website, wordcounter.net. What you are going to do is that we are going to paste the text here and then clean all fonts in it. We are going to clean all the fonts. We can't replace it with this text. It is not going to be nice, so paste it right here. Once you paste it, the next step is that you are going to highlight and then copy it. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, all font, everything in the text has been cleaned. Once you clean it, you are going to come back on your landing page, highlight the text. Once you highlight it, click on paste so that your text can replace it. As you can see, it has been replaced. If you want to increase the font size, you are going to highlight it. Once you highlight it, you can click right here and then select the font size that you want. So you can scroll down and then select 48. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are also going to replace this text with your own text. In this case, I have my text, so I'm going to highlight it and then paste it. You can also write your text and then paste it right here. As you can see, this is my text, so you can equally write a text like this and then paste it on this website. If you want, you can change the font. If you want, you can change the color of the text. Anything that you want, you can change it. If you want the background, you can change the background. So what you have to do is that you have to highlight it, click on it, and then change the image, change this image. But in this case, I'm not going to change anything. Once you have entered the information, the next step is that you have to make sure that when people enter their name, email address, they'll get access to the affiliate link. So you have to click on this box. Once you click on it, you can see the form has opened like this. Select setup. Once you click on that, you can see thank you page. You can see the next one, already subscribed page. What you are going to do is that you are going to click right here. Once you click on it, you can see custom URL. Select that. Once you select it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So you have to go back on CPA Grip, copy and paste your affiliate link here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back and then paste it here. Once you paste your link, anytime people enter their name, email address, this link is going to be sent to them. Once they get access to the link, they can take the action for you to make money, and you are also going to get access to their email. So anytime that you want, you can promote another offer to them. Once that is done, you are going to delete this section. You don't need it, so just highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to delete it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see these icons, we don't need them. So what you have to do is that you have to highlight them and delete everything. You don't need everything, so just delete them. Delete everything. And once you delete it, the next step is that you are going to publish your landing page. To publish your landing page, what you have to do is that you have to preview it so that you can see how it will appear to the customer. So click right here, preview. Once you click on preview, you can see this is your landing page. It looks professional, so when people see it like this, they can enter their name and email address and then get access to the offer, and you are going to also get access to their email address. So anytime that you want, you can promote another offer to them through their email address. Now once you have previewed your landing page, you are going to click right here, go back to editing. Once you click on back to editing, you are going to give a name to your landing page. So you can type something like iPhone, just something like this. Once you enter the name of your landing page, you are going to click right here, save and exit. Once you click on save and exit, you can see this is your landing page, but it is not published. So what you have to do is that you have to publish it. To publish it, you are going to click on this icon, publish. Once you click on it, you can see it has been published. This is the link to your landing page. So you can click right here, copy, so that you can copy the link of your landing page. Once you copy it, you are going to click on done. Once you have published your landing page, you can see this is your link. The next step is that you have to promote your landing page so that you can get people to enter their details and then get access to the offers so that you can be making money. So what you have to do is that you have to copy it and then find a traffic source whereby you can promote your landing page. One of the best traffic sources that you can use to promote your landing page is giveawaymonkey.com. On this website, people give away items for free, so you can also give the iPhone for free on this platform so that you can get people to click on your link and then enter their details so that you can get paid. When you click right here, you can see the locations. They have a lot of different locations that you can select. You can select worldwide, you can select other locations, United States, Canada, UK. Any location that you want, you can select it and then post your item. To post an item, you are going to click right here, submit giveaway. Once you click on it, you have to enter the details of your giveaway. So you can see giveaway URL. This is where you are going to paste the link to your landing page. If you don't want to use the landing page, you can paste your direct link right here. So in this case, we are using a landing page. So just copy the link to your landing page. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see giveaway main price. So you have to enter the title of your giveaway right here. As you can see, this is the title, get the latest iPhones. So you can get the latest iPhones now. So something like this, get the latest iPhones now. Once you enter the title, the next step is that you are going to scroll down and then enter a description of your giveaway. In this case, I have my description. So just paste it right here. You can also write a brief description like this and then paste it right here. Once you paste your description, you are going to write a warning right here. So let's write something like, this offer is only available in Australia, something like this. Give a warning like this, this offer is only available in Australia. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to select an end date and the entry method. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can select the end date. Just select any date that you want. Once you select the end date, the next step is that you are going to select the entry method. So click on it and then select sign up or email subscription. You can see it right here, email subscription. You can see a lot of different methods that you can select. In this case, we are going to select email subscription. Once you select that, you can see eligibility. You are going to click on it and then select the age. If you want, you can select any age or you can select 18 and above. Just select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to leave it with any age. Once that is done, you can see you can select any country that you want. You can see the countries. In this case, I'm going to select other locations because we are targeting people in Australia, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see giveaway category. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see a whole lot of different categories that you can select. Just scroll down and then select the appropriate category for your giveaway. Just scroll down and then select the right one. In this case, you are going to select gadgets, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see giveaway images. So you have to upload images of the product right here. You can come on Google and then search for iPhones. Once you search for iPhone, select images and download any of these images that you want so that you can use it as your giveaway image. For example, I'm going to download this one. Once you right click on it, select save images so that you can save the image of the giveaways. As you can see, click on save. Once you have downloaded the image of an iPhone, you are going to click right here, browse. Once you click on browse, select your image, click on open so that it can be uploaded. As you can see, it has been uploaded. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see name. Type your name here. Once you type your name, the next step is that you are going to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see upgrade to featured listing. You have to pay $1.50 so that you can post your ad to the platform. If you want, you can click on it and then select the gold feature or the platinum feature. Any of them that you want, you can select it. Once you select it, you are going to enter your credit card details so that you can make your payment and then submit your giveaway. So just enter the price that you can pay so that your giveaway can be posted onto the website and you are going to get the right people to enter the details for you to make money. This is just an example, but if you want, you can come and then check the top countries. Once you check the top countries, you are going to go back on CPA Grip, select an offer that is allowed in these top countries, and then post it on this website so that you can be getting a lot of different people who enter their details for you to make money. For example, if you come back on CPA Grip and then search for Canada, you'll find other offers that you can promote using these same steps so that you can be making money. You can see this offer, you're going to be earning $12.83 per every lead that you get. You can see $12.83 per every lead that you get. This is just an example, but make sure you select the top countries, go back on CPA Grip, find an offer that has a higher payout, follow these same steps so that you can post the giveaway on this website so that you can get the right people to enter their details for you to make money. Apart from making money with CPA marketing, there is another way that you can use to make money from home. You can create and sell digital products online to make money from home. You can create your own product, price it at any amount that you want, and then sell it. If you want to learn how to create a digital product, just click on this link at the description of this video so that you can get access to my ebook that will show you step by step on how to create and sell digital products. So just click on the link. Once you click on the link, you are going to see the book like this. I've decided to decrease the price for my viewers, so make sure you take action now before I increase it. Again, you can see this is the original price, but I have decreased it to $2.49. This price will not last. Within some time, I'm going to increase it to the original price. So make sure you take action now so that you can be part of those who have the privilege to download it at a cheaper cost. So just click on download now. Once you click on download now, you are going to enter your payment method so that you can get access to the book. That is how best I can help you to make money from home. So make sure you go and take action now so that you can be making money from home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.